Okay, so welcome to the module number 4, and the first lecture of this module is gonna be how you can actually find a viral video. And you want to do this because I will be showing you how you can actually replicate the success of a viral video. But for now I want to show you how to actually find a viral video. So as we talked in some of the previous lectures, you need to find a viral video, but how you can actually do it? Well, here's how. But before we start, so you will be able to find a viral video that maybe has like 100,000 views, and then I will show you how you can replicate the success of that video, and then how you can end up on the suggested column of that video, and then get at least 10% off of those views. So if that video got 100,000 views, how you can get at least 10,000 or more views from that. So it's definitely a great strategy to boost views and to build any channel. So how to actually find a viral video? So you will come over to YouTube, and then you want to think of some niche. You want to think of some niche. You want to come up with some niche. Maybe if you're in a makeup niche, then just do the makeup. But if you want to do something else, maybe you want to do a business niche, sport niche, or anything like that. By the way, excuse the noise outside if you can hear the music. My neighbors are really loud. You know, they started the party like last night, and it's literally 10 a.m. and they're still partying. So they're insane. I hope you can hear that, but if you can, I'm really sorry about that. I can't stop them, you know. I hope they will stop the music soon. So you will just head over to YouTube, and you want to search for example, some keyword related to that niche. For example, if you want to do the sport niche and the football niche, you will search for example, Ronaldo. You want to search for that, and then what you want to do, you will come up with thousands of different videos. But in order to find a video that is going viral, what you want to do is actually filter by this week or this month, but I rather recommend you this week, and then filter by the view count. And that way it will give you the videos that were published this week that got tons of views. And then in order to find a viral video, what you want to do is, for example, find some that doesn't have this verified icon. You want to find, for example, okay, this one, it got 697,000 views, but you want to take a look at their channel. If their channel has less than 10,000 subscribers, then that's amazing. But as you can see, this channel has 1.9 million views, which means this video is not going viral because it's obviously being watched by those subscribers. So this video is not going viral. But if this channel had like less than 10,000 views, and then this video got 600,000 views in less than 7 days, then that means this video is going viral, and it's a great thing to replicate. It's a great way, it's the right time to jump in and replicate a video success, and then get at least 10% off of their views. So if they get 700,000 views, I will show you how to replicate the success, end up on the suggested column, and then get at least like 70,000 views off of that. So it's a great way to build channels quickly from literally 0 subscribers. And that's the strategy that I used to get over 100,000 views on the rainforest video that I showed you. So I just searched for Amazon rainforest fire, and then what I did is I just filtered by this week, and then I just filtered by view count, and then I found some video that had that I saw like had a lot of views, and then I replicated the success of that video and got over 100,000 views. I literally grew that channel from 0 views to 100,000 views in less than 7 days, just by doing this strategy, just by finding a viral video. So that's how you can actually find a viral video. And in some of the next lectures, I will show you how to replicate the success of that viral video and get those views. So see you in the next lecture.